Every day at work, you are the hero in a story you didn't sign up for. You open your laptop and it's the same thing. Emails piling up, files scattered, meetings stacked back to back, and that one task you keep pushing to tomorrow because it's just too much to start. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is doing 10 jobs at once. And here's the frustrating part. Most AI today feels like a smart parrot. You ask a question, it answers, then it stops. It doesn't move anything forward unless you guide it step by step. That's where Agentic AI comes in. Agentic AI is the difference between talking to someone and working with someone. You don't just say, "What should I do?" You say, "Help me get this done." It can break the goal into steps, do the boring parts, use tools, check info, and return with progress, then ask you only when your decision is needed. You're still the boss, the agent handles the messy middle. So today is day 1 of my Agentic AI series. For the next 30 days, I'll show how AI agents help normal people at work. No code, no buzzwords, just real examples you can actually use. Follow along, and if there's a task you're tired of doing manually, drop it in the comments. I'll turn it into an agent use case in this series.